What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 11 minutes past midnight on Tuesday the 31st of October, and yeah, we're going to get straight into the charts. Hope everyone's doing well. We're nearly at 600 subscribers, and yes, let's try and hit that target this week. So here's DXY. Hopefully you've watched yesterday's Sunday review where I went through my expectations for the week. Nothing's really changed, so to speak. I'm still expecting a run up to this buy side liquidity with non-farm payroll this week and interest rate announcements on Wednesday. I did watch some of ICT's live stream today, and he was speaking about how Mondays and Tuesdays are good to trade on weeks like these, and then it's best to stay out the charts from Wednesday after 11 or Wednesday after 11, purely because of the volatility that will be injected with interest rate announcements and non-farm payroll and everything. But yeah, if you watch yesterday's video, you'll see that I expected a pull down towards this south side here, this swing low. I'll drop down to a low time frame so we can see. So I anticipated this south side liquidity to get grabbed, and we can see that's exactly what happened. But I am expecting the low to actually be made on the Tuesday. That's what I'd prefer to see happen. So in order for this low to get made, we'd expect this low, so Monday's low, to then get taken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out this fair value gap here that you can see we've traded into, but I'd like to see us dip deeper into that, potentially filling it, and then I'd want to start to see a reversal for the rest of the week, and then a run up into that buy side liquidity I just outlined there. But honestly, I'm not going to go over everything. I'm not going to go into too much detail, purely because yesterday's video I stated all this anyway, so you can go check that out. But one thing to take note of, if we look at the daily, this candle here, Monday 23rd of October's candle, we can draw that out as a bullish order block. Why? Because we traded through it on the upside, and what we can do is we can mark out the 50% level of that, and that will give us the mean threshold, and that is the lowest I want to see price trade to for me to remain bullish. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly mark out that mean threshold like so, and then if we drop down to the hourly, there's actually a PD array on the hourly time frame resting at that level, and that says order block here. So tomorrow I'd like to see price come down, grab these stops one more time that they've taken, grab Monday's low, trade down into this into this daily 4-hour fair value gap and into this hourly order block, and then I'd want to see a strong reaction off that, suggesting a reversal, and then I'd want to be going long on dollar, expecting to run into this buy side liquidity up here with the relative equal highs, and then of course into that later swing high up here. So let me just mark the rest of these levels out. So there's relative equal highs up here as well that I expect to get taken on either Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, but tomorrow I am expecting us to come back down one more time and hopefully have a reversal at this point here. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to say. Again, I do suggest you go watch yesterday's video because I outlined all of this in much more detail. Let's go to GBP. So here's the markings from yesterday's video. You'll see that I had this buy side liquidity drawn out. GBP hasn't traded into it. You'll see we saw dollar traded down into that sell side, but GBP hasn't yet reached into the buy side. So tomorrow, what am I anticipating? I anticipate this buy side to now get traded to. I also recently marked out this swing low. Why did I mark out this swing low? It's a breaker low, high, low, high, high. So price can reach up into this level as well tomorrow. But overall, I expect this buy side liquidity to get grabbed and us to at least trade to the 50% level, and you can see this hourly bearish order block. But let's go up to the 4 hour, and you can see we have all of this inefficiency all along here that price may want to draw into. So you know, this is all supportive of higher prices for tomorrow, and then after that I'd want to see a run down into the south side liquidity. Again, this is all in yesterday's video, but here's the daily chart. You can see we had quite a strong up day. We're just trading down lower now because we've just opened, but like I said, I expect this buy side liquidity to get tapped, and then as soon as these stops are grabbed above this buy side, we'd then use that to then sell into pound and then run down to that sell side. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Let me just, I've got a lot of marking outs here. Get rid of that as well. But you can see we just fell short of that buy side liquidity, which is why I'm expecting that to get grabbed in the new day. We can easily trade up into that, and then hopefully have a nice reversal and push lower for the rest of the week. Finally, let's go on to Euro. You'll see that Euro actually managed to grab that same buy side liquidity and hit the 50% level after this. Let me just go on the daily real quick. So I marked out this bearish order block, and then I marked out the 50%, which is consequent encroach, which is mean threshold, sorry. And you can see how Euro traded right up to that, right to the pip. Beautiful, can't make this up. Took out this buy side liquidity. Tomorrow I want to see us trade higher one more time, and that would create a wick, hopefully create a wick above that 50% level, because I don't want to see volume close above that 50% level, but we're allowed to wick above it. So I'd like to see a wick, a daily wick trade above that. That would help us run higher towards this swing low as well, which is a breaker, high, low, higher, high. So I'm basically just expecting a run up higher into this zone here. We've got a nice swing high on the hourly here, that where there's liquidity residing above that. So in the new day, hopefully we can make the high in here, and that will give us again a nice reversal for us to sell into the rest of the week. Then we have sell stops residing below here with relative equal lows, and below here, and then a consequent encroachment off a weekly wick. So that's going to be everything, guys. This has been a very short video, but I do again suggest you go watch yesterday's video if you want more detail. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.